اوكي so نعيدها بخط اليد. اوكي first of all الاوكسيديشن numbers لكل وحده was that clear؟ ايه do I have to repeat that part؟
لا الأكسيديشن نمبر ما له لا.
اوكي طيب so first we solve for the oxidation number ما قلنا داعي. اوكي so نجي على هيدا الكومباوند. اوكي chromium 2072 minus. قلنا the oxidation number for this chromium is 6. اوكي حط box على هيدا الكروميوم رايح لهيدا الكومباوند CR H2 5SO4 so H2O 5SO4 plus clear. هيدا الكروميوم لقينا الاكسيديشن نمبر له 3. What I first should do is multiply to make sure that the chromiums is balanced. So هيدا عندي 2 هيدا عندي 1 so I must multiply this compound by 2. Till here it's okay?
Okay.
Yes. I look at now the charge and the oxidation number change. We have 6, yani plus 6 becoming plus 3. So what did I do here? What happened to the chromium? For each one chromium, he's going from plus 6 to plus 3.
Gain 3
Gain 3 electron. Okay? معي? Gaining 3 electron. I like it to be written like this. هلا some people like to put إنه minus 3 إنه يعني gain 3 electron ما بعرف. Okay, so it's a typical thing بالكتب بتشوف إنه minus 3. I like كلمة gain 3 electron. So it's the reduction half reaction. Yes. This is for each chromium. But what's the total number of electrons gained? Because I have 2 chromium atoms in total, I have how many? 2. I must multiply this by 2. So gain, we must gain 6 electrons for this reaction to proceed. Clear?
Yes.
Great. Okay. Now for the sulfurs. The sulfur went from a 4 plus to either one of these to a 6 plus. Okay? And he went from here to both of these compounds. From one compound, he split himself to 2 compounds. ماشي لهون؟
Okay.
Now, for this sulfur, what's happening to each sulfur element? From 4 plus to 6 plus, what's happening?
Losing 2 electrons.
We will lost 2 electrons for each single atom. معي؟ I need to gain a total of 6. معي؟ And therefore the number of electrons gained must equal to the number of electrons lost, so I must multiply this by 3, so the gain equals loss. معي؟ بالأول. So معناتها إذا أنا هون عندي 1 sulfur atom بس كatom, I must say I must multiply it by 3 to have 3 sulfur atoms because I want to totally have a loss of 6 electrons. بترجع you balance this compound. كيف يعني؟ Already هون 2, I must have a 2 here for this sulfur. If for this compound, I could choose whichever number I want, I will choose the number 1 because I wanted a 3 here.
Doctor?
I know this is not easy to think about it, but pay attention for a moment. لو بس لو هون عندي 3 electrons gained مثلا for each. ولو مثلا طلع لو لك لو طلع هون انه عندنا 18 electrons need to be gained. If I needed 18 شو يعني 3 times what gives me 18? 6. طيب يعني somehow I needed to gain 18 electrons. شو بيجي بقول هون عندي for each sulfur a loss of 2. If I want this loss to be 18 because it must be equal to the amount gained, شو لازم أضرب هيدا بشو؟ ب 9. So بجي بحط 9 هون. وإذا هيدا عندي 9 وهي already مثلا 2. Okay, so هاي شو بدي أضربها ب 7. Okay, ليطلع عندي total number of sulfurs 9. Anyways, net reaction, you will make sure, but the balancing, it's up to you. You have to make sure that the number of electrons lost equal to the number of electrons gained, and there's always a single compound you can play with. And you can decide whatever number you want to put in front of him. يعني هيدي أنا بقدر أحط اللي بدي إياه. ليه؟ هي سلفر وأكسجين وهيدروجين. يعني الأكسجين والهيدروجين أنا بقدر بالماء وبالH plus يعني to change whatever number I need. But here I cannot. Chromium لا خلاص it's stable. I cannot play with this sulfur. I could play with only the sulfurs that have oxygen and hydrogen in them. Okay. I don't want to waste too much time on this. يعني a lot of people don't أصلاً they don't put this example بالcourse. It's one of the hardest ever type of oxidation reduction by what's it called, by oxidation number method, and all the rest أصلاً they don't need oxidation number method. It's only things like this that need it.